Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well in your lives too. So I am Atri and I make videos related to makeup, skincare reviews, hauls, etc. So if you guys are interested in watching such type of content, you might want to check out my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So it's finally Titter has launched in India. Now if you don't know what Titter is, Titter Foundation has launched in India. So you must be living under a rock. By the way, I have heard about this particular foundation which they have released in India a lot, and people were gaga over it, but I never brought it from other websites. Actually, I just saw the reels and shorts. I have never seen an entire video on this particular foundation. So I don't know what people thought about this foundation, but that thing I was for sure that they at least they have liked it way too much. So when Title launched in India, I just grabbed their foundation, and we are going to talk about that only. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now before that, if you guys like to watch me my content, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Now let's get into the video. So there was a lot of buzz like related to Titter, because Titter is one brand that created a lot of I don't know, it was a gimmick or what hype you can say. So this is Titter Mask Fit Red Cushion Mask Shield Enriched Coverage Foundation. So this is a mousse foundation, cushion foundation, by the way. I have got my shade in this is 33W ginger, and it retails for 1200 rupees for a mini version. I have got the mini one because of course I didn't want to get a bigger one, a fuller size one before trying it. So the packaging is also very interesting. I mean, this is the inner packaging. It looks like an egg. Yeah, it looks like an egg. Actually, it looks like an egg. And yeah, it is quite luxurious. It feels so luxurious, and they had a lot of shades. By the way, Nykaa पे बहुत सारे shades available थे. I chose 33W ginger. I thought of going for neutral tone, but I don't know why I chose this warm undertone. I mean, I will tell you what I feel about that, what I feel about this particular foundation, everything. So yeah, packaging wise, you have seen the packaging. It comes like this, and then you have to remove it. Then you can dip this particular little mini sponge. You can dip the sponge here, take off the excess, and then you can go on with this sponge. By the way, this sponge is of really good quality. Only thing is because it's a mini foundation, so what happens is that my face is really big, so it takes a lot of time for me to just apply this foundation. So guys, when I was applying this foundation, the first layer, so first layer में इतना पता नहीं चला, although मुझे लगता है ये shade तो बहुत सही है मेरे लिए, but the only thing is what I feel is that this shade is a little bit yellow for me. So if you're of my skin tone, do not get this particular shade because it's yellow. This particular shade is a little bit yellow for me, and on my face it also oxidizes a little bit. I mean, it's not oxidizing a lot of, but then it is oxidizing a little bit. So if you're of my shade, already warm skin tone, do not get this particular shade because it will make you look a lot of yellow, and plus winter season is approaching here, so you do not want to look yellow. So I would suggest, if I really wish that if I went for 33N, so go for 33N, because on foundation.com also I saw that this particular shade they are recommending. So yeah, so when I was applying this particular foundation, it is like so lightweight. It does not feel anything. Like now also I'm talking to you, I'm not feeling anything. I mean, you have to take your time to blend this blends perfectly beautifully, it blends beautifully. Plus you can actually, if you want a fuller coverage, higher coverage, you can actually double up this foundation. This is the second layer of the foundation that I have used to get the full coverage. First coverage जो है, first जो होगा वो इतना full नहीं होगा, it will be sheer to medium coverage. But guys, once you do the second layer, I mean, it is a game changer. You can see that my face looks so filtered. Going for layer number 2, let's see how this looks. This is layer number 1, and it already looks so filtered. I mean, literally, look at my face. It looks so filtered. Now I'm going to take this once more, and I am going to build it up and see how it looks, whether and if we can really build this up. Now you can see definitely that this is a little bit more yellow on my skin tone, this shade. I think I've taken a little too much. You can go overboard with the foundation, so you have to be very careful when you are using this. Definitely, you can build this up, and it is not even looking cakey or whatsoever. Only I feel that the shade is a little bit yellow for me. Otherwise, it is doing a good job, and I have a feeling that it is going to oxidize also. By the way, one more disclaimer, I am shooting in daylight. I'm not using any ring light or any background light or any filter. Like there are people who say that I use filter. I'm not using filter. I'm not even kidding you guys. I'm not even using filter. Filter होता है ना तो यहाँ कुछ दिखता. So it's not filter. Please understand it's not filter. And when I'm looking in my mirror, I mean in the camera, it just looks so flawless. My skin looks so flawless. And one more thing, I have used a cream blush, liquid blush. You can see it has not taken off my foundation. Plus I have used a powder contour. It has not taken off my foundation, and yeah, it does not feel anything, guys. It does not feel anything. It feels I'm just applying my moisturizer and whatsoever. It remains a little bit sticky. If you see, it remains a little bit sticky, but that's okay. You can definitely set it. I have not set it, by the way, because I will do a check-in. I'll show you guys how this looks at the end of the day. Of course रात हो जाएगी तब तक, but I'll show you how this is going to look at the end of the day. Let us just see the claims that this is making. This says that it prevents smudging of makeup in the mask. So that means this is mask proof also. Let's see, we will test that also. 24 hours makeup persistence in the mask and 72 hours makeup persistence. Acha, so you can one day, then 2 days. I mean, it is too much, I would say. Okay, and then adhering to cushion foundation makes your makeup fresh, lightweight powder and skincare substances. This is brightening plus anti-wrinkle also. I don't know what to what to say about this. Of course, this is made in Korea product. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait for some time and bring a mask and then carry on with. Guys, I'm not able to find any mask, but I have found this handkerchief. So let us do a transfer test. Let's see if it smudges or not, if it transfers or not. I don't think so. It transfers anything. No, nothing. It's not at all transferring anything. Yeah, it does not transfer, not even a bit. So if you're wearing a mask, on top of this foundation, this is not going to move. It was looking a little bit, transferable, but actually it is not transferable. So let me just talk about if it is really worth spending 1200 rupees for getting this foundation. So, as and when we are like I do not have mature skin, but I am in my 30s, in my early 30s. So the thing is that when we are in our 30s or 40s, the skin gets wrinkled up very very quickly. So if you want a youthful fresh look, I think this foundation is going to give you, because it has blurred out everything. It is not at all focusing on my pores or whatsoever. This is not even focusing on my bumps or anything. This is just smoothing out my skin. It is like a filter that I have applied, but actually this is not a filter. So I am highly impressed with this foundation. I'll see how this holds up, and actually I'll tell you after some time how this particular foundation is on my skin. Otherwise, it is a definitely yay from my side. I do not like foundations very very easily. It takes a little bit of time to for me to understand how this foundation is. So for me, foundations liking a foundation takes a lot of time, but I have a feeling that I'm going to like this because this looks very very natural on my face. And one more thing, it has a peculiar scent to it which goes after some time. So ऐसा scent नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा, but a little bit of that cosmetic, very mild cosmetic fragrance is there. So let's see, I'll do a check-in and then I'll tell you how my face is going to look after a period of time.
Okay guys, this is with my front camera. You can see that this particular foundation is still intact, and it has been good 5 to 6 hours. Although it oxidized, it does look orange and yellow on my skin tone, so I would suggest one shade neutral. So this is about it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.